Hi, I'm Jack from K&B Audio, and here's everything you need to know about the new D32 wireless portable speaker from Edifier. The Edifier D32 is a wireless speaker with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi streaming. It's ideal for people who want to enjoy their music from a compact, stylish all-in-one speaker. You can easily stream your music wirelessly from any smart device using the built-in Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity. The speaker has its own built-in battery, making it easy to take from room to room and even outdoors. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the features. It has a 60-watt digital amplifier, dual 1-inch tweeters and a 4-inch long-throw mid-low driver. It packs a surprising punch for such a compact unit. It is high-res audio and high-res wireless certified to ensure the best possible sound quality even when streaming via Bluetooth. The speaker can be controlled via the front-mounted buttons. Simply push down to power on the speaker, change the audio source, play and pause your music, and adjust the volume. An LED light shows the speaker is powered on when holding the power button down. Then simply press the button to change between the sources. The LED light will indicate the current selected source. The blue light indicates Bluetooth, green is auxiliary, red is USB, and white is Wi-Fi. The process is very similar when using the Wi-Fi mode. Press the power button until the white LED light shows. The light will flash to show it's ready for connection. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your smart device and look for the D32 speaker. Press this to start the pairing process. Once selected, it will ask you to connect to the speaker using your Wi-Fi. Once this has been paired, you will not need to do it again. Now the speaker is visible to any device that is connected to your Wi-Fi network. You can stream music wirelessly via the built-in Bluetooth using your smartphone, tablet or computer. You can also stream music via AirPlay 2 or streaming sites such as Spotify using the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. It has a built-in battery with up to 11 hours playtime, making it easy to take from room to room. The speaker is available in two stylish colour combinations, black and walnut and white and gold. It has a useful carry handle at the back of the speaker, allowing you to easily take it with you wherever you go. The audio quality really is surprising considering its compact size. The bass is punchy but not overpowering, and the mid and highs are balanced nicely to create an enjoyable listening experience. Included in the box with the D32 speaker, you're going to get one D32 wireless speaker, one USB-C to USB-C audio cable, one 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, a power cable, and a user manual. Thank you for watching our overview of the D32 speaker by Edifier. A great sounding, well-featured, all-in-one speaker with a built-in battery that looks as good as it sounds. If you have any questions, then please feel free to leave a comment below or contact one of our audio experts. You can find the speakers with free next day delivery on our website at kbaudio.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos.